Good morning, children. This is Vandana. Today I am here to explain you about Universal Adult Franchise. Before starting the topic, let us recall previous topics. So far, we have studied what is government, need for government, types of government, levels of government, functions of the government, and organs of the government. In the types of government, we have studied monarchy, democracy, dictatorship. And the next one, levels of government. In this, we have studied national level, that is called central government, state level, that is state government, district level, local self government, and the functions of the government. In this, we have studied defense security, ensuring welfare measures, resource management, international relations. After that, organs of government. In this, legislature, executive, and judiciary. And we have studied the role of all these people. So, children, it is very important to understand the reason behind the formation of the laws that the government makes for us. Since all of us are not educated in the field of law, so it is the duty of the people we elect to explain the laws, their advantages and disadvantages to us. So it becomes very important that we choose the right people. But we have not always had the right to choose our government. For a very long period, we were under the British Raj and had to follow the rules and regulations set by the British in India. Initially, only the British had the right to make laws for India. But after struggling for many years, a select few were given the right to vote. But the common person had no such right. Therefore, when India gained freedom from the British in 1947, the leaders of independent India decided to have a democratic form of government where every person would have a right to vote. So the word came universal adult franchise. So this is a new word for you and you might be thinking, what does it mean? So let me explain you universal adult franchise. That is right to vote to everyone. Everyone here means a person who has achieved the age of 18 or above, that too without any discrimination, caste, color, religion, region, or language. There is no discrimination between persons who are eligible to vote. So, children, we live in a democratic country. Government is of the people, for the people, and by the people. In our India, our government is of the people, for the people, and by the people. So here the people has a right to choose his or her own representative. So in certain countries, women were denied the right to vote, and in some other cases, the poor were also not allowed to vote, and the black people were also not allowed to vote. So adult franchise was there, but it was not universal in nature. It is modern democracies is a result of long struggle by the deprived sections. For example, women in the USA obtained the right to vote only in 1920 after a long suffragette movement. The black people in South Africa secured voting rights in 1994. So in India granted the right to vote to all adults irrespective of gender, caste, region, as soon as it became independent in 1947.